Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica guys, cooking with Erica TV. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Continue to subscribe, newcomers subscribe, comment, like and share guys. If you come across this video, subscribe guys. It's free to subscribe, so subscribe and help me to grow my channel. I really appreciate your help guys. That for those of you who have been watching the videos, please continue to watch the videos. Watch my longer videos too guys. I do cook Jamaican style cooking, you know, a little American and everything mixed up. So go over to watch the videos, not just the short videos, but please watch the longer video and watch them all the way to the end. Comment and subscribe guys. So guys, right here I have some bell peppers, and so I already washed the bell peppers. As you see, they're already clean, and so I already washed them, cleaned them, and so right here I'm just cutting up the bell pepper them and preparing to put them in my freezer. So you know, instead of having made these things spoil, I just clean them and wash them and cut them up, put them in my freezer. So right here guys, as I said, I just cutting up my bell pepper to put in my freezer. So these peppers guys, you cannot use them in salad. You only can use them like when you're cooking meat or fish or your stew or anything else. Once you're cooking something that need bell pepper, you can use these, and so that's why I save them a lot of times guys. If you look in my freezer right now guys, I have so much tomatoes, bell pepper inside here, and even onion. You know guys, I have onion too in my freezer. So I just cut up everything. Celery today, I have some celery, I'm gonna prep them too. So guys, what the celery, hey. So guys, right here, as you know, I'm just cutting up these bell peppers and I'm gonna put them in Ziploc bag to put in the freezer. So guys, don't make your stuff spoil and throw them out. Things is too expensive. If you have a freezer that don't have a lot of stuff, cut up your bell pepper or whatever you have that can cook, cut up and put in your freezer. Cut them up, put in your freezer and use them at a later date. So right here, you know, I have all kind of color. I have red, I have yellow, I have orange, and I also have some sweet pepper, tomato. So right now I just cut up everything in one batch to put in my freezer guys. So just watch the process as I do this. Right here I finished cutting pepper, and now I'm cutting up some tomato that I have some tomato in the freezer already, and so I just cut up. I have these, I don't want them to spoil, so I just cut them up. Now I'm mixing tomato and pepper, everything together, and I'm packing them in my Ziploc bag guys. You can keep them, and you know, I don't even keep this for myself, I share with other people. So you know, that's another way to share, like, you know, cut up your stuff, freeze them up, and you know, share them with your family and friends. So right here guys, I have a lot. I end up get 2 bags, and if some didn't spoil, I would have ended up with 3 bags. And so I have 2 bags, well, 2 bags, because I leave some out to cook. Let's see guys, I think it's not full, but you still have to leave space in the bag, so the bag have some here. So right there guys, I have 2 bags, I would say 2 bags of sweet, well, they call it sweet pepper, some people call it bell pepper, so whatever you want to call it. So this is my sweet pepper, bell pepper, that I am gonna keep in my freezer for a later day to cook my chicken and my fish. Thank you so much for watching and commenting.